Hi everyone, today I'm going to take you through the replacement of the air filter on my 2015 BMW GTL. The placement of the air filter differs from bike to bike. In this case, the air filter is situated under all these covers. So there's quite a couple of torque screws that you have to remove, starting here on the side, here by the radio controls. Just flip open this air deflector, there's two more. And one over there. Move to the front of the bike, there's one situated just at the top of the flicker. Open this compartment here, there's two more that you need to remove. Unlock the seat and lift the seat up, and you'll see there's some more torque bolts, screws rather, that has to be removed here. On the top of the bike, underneath the steering wheel, there's one over there. Just unscrew these bolts. One there right at the top, in the front. You'll see it just basically pops off. Underneath this cover, there's a couple more. After you unscrew those screws, once again the panel just pops off quite easily. And you can already see the one side of the entire air induction system. Just do the same on the other side, and then you'll see there's the air filter box with screws holding it together. Just loosen those screws. Once you've taken those screws out, you'll see it basically just lips off quite easily. You can remove the entire unit if you want to. Those air nozzles there in the front can unclip, but it's really not necessary. You can just lift it up. And there you go. After you've put in a new air filter, you can just put it back down and replace everything in reverse order. As easy as that. Thanks for watching.